In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily buy crypto on the Mexc app. Whether you're looking to grab some USDT, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies, I've got you covered. So first, open the Mexc app, log into your account, and if you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one. It only takes a few minutes once you're logged in. Head to the main page and tap the More option. Scroll down a little until you find Buy Crypto. Tap on it, and this will take you to the purchase screen. On the purchase page, you can set the amount you want to spend. For example, I'll enter 250 euros or dollars here. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Let's say USDT. Now select your preferred payment method. Make sure that you have connected your payment method to your account to be able to buy cryptocurrencies for your account, and you have loaded your payment method with enough money to be able to buy that cryptocurrency using your payment method. So simply set this into what you prefer. You can also change the cryptocurrency into the one that you prefer and select your payment method. After you had set all of this, simply click on that buy button to be able to buy this using your preferred payment method. And that is how you can basically buy crypto on Mexc. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.